What's up everyone? The flagship battle is officially heating up and this is the device that's making wave right now. The brand new Xiaomi 17 Pro. Actually, Xiaomi introduces in Xiaomi 17 series a dynamic back display, which is a secondary screen integrated into a camera module on the back. And we are going to check it out in this video. And let's unbox it. Well guys, this is just a unboxing and first impression video, and this is not a review. I will do in the next video because I have just got it. So let's get started. This time Xiaomi changed the packaging. Most of the time they have this big box, but this time it's a long boxing. Xiaomi 17 Pro and Xiaomi Hyper OS. Okay, in the box we have this first. What is this? Let's see what we have got. Okay, we have got the phone case. Wow, the transparent, looking nice. Okay, and the SIM injector tool and the user manual. Okay, and we have 100-watt fast charger type A, designed by Xiaomi. Okay, and we have the type A to type C charging cable, which is 1 meter. Oh, what color I got? Tan-tan-tan! I have got the purple color. Actually, they have 4 options in colors: white, black, green and purple. Green, I have seen so many videos on YouTube, but the purple looks pretty nice, so that's why I have picked the purple among of these 4 colors. Let's turn on this phone. Xiaomi logo. Okay, let me set up and then I will come back. The first impression, the phone itself is just wow. You can see this purple color and you can imagine the white, black and green. The finish, and it feels incredibly premium in my hand. The phone is not that big. I can hold, you can, pretty nice. Seriously, it's compact, solid and fits beautifully in the hand. Look at the display. It looks very premium. The bezels are very minimum, and look at the back. The secondary screen looking very nice. Actually, the both is LTPO AMOLED display, and the front main screen is 6.3 inches and the back is 2.6 inches, and it is also 120 Hz refresh rate supported, HDR10 plus and 3500 nits. If I show you right now, see. I'm really happy that Xiaomi put the fingerprint sensor over here. It's a perfect spot to open by the fingerprint sensor. Okay, but most of the phones put the fingerprint sensor over here. The speed you can see. Now the heart of the beast, performance. It packs the newest and fastest chip, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and this is a 3nm chip, which means incredible speed and power efficiency. But using the secondary screen for checking yourself out before taking the pictures or videos, that is a good thing. So I locked the phone. Okay, the phone is locked, and still I can open the camera. We just need to swipe left, and now look. So we can take a picture from the back camera. Actually, some people ask why we are not taking selfies from the front camera. From the back you can take high quality pictures or videos. So if you want to take a picture, look, this is a 1x. You can zoom in, 2x, 5x and 0.7x is the ultra wide. So ultra wide camera they have put over here. This is the ultra wide. The ultra wide camera is very wide. 0.7x and this is 1x. Okay, so you can take the pictures very fast, and you can even check the photo galleries. Okay, zoom in, nice, and you can even record the videos. But yep, we can switch the resolution 4K and then start the recording. Hi. Okay, so if we do like this, wow. Well, this is not a review of this smartphone, so I'm going to show you the main features. The rear display, if you go inside that, you have three options: personalization, always on display, and about rear. They will just teach you how to turn on the camera and how to change the wallpaper on the back. And personalization, you have creative lock and natural, it's Chinese, and wallpapers and signatures. I've put this one, and you can also put some of them, and you can also change it. You can put your pictures or generate it with AI, or you can change the signatures, whatever you would like. So I have put these pets, and you can put, I think, as many as you can. I put like 7. See, let me show you here. Even if I turn off the screen, I still have the background on the secondary screen. And how to change it, you just need to press in here, all of them like this. So you can customize them. You can put your own customizable pictures. I almost forgot to try this phone case. It's a transparent case, and okay guys, this looks nice. If you need to know anything about this phone, you need to comment right now in this video, so I will remember your comments and answer you in the next video when I'm going to review this phone. So comment and like this video if you like. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.